Hey, if you have this issue with the white noise sound on your Sony WF-C500, there's like 3 options that you can try. The first one, you can try to lower the volume of your earbuds, but if this issue is available on all volume level, it means that you can actually try to perform the hard reset. So if you try the hard reset and it doesn't work, the last thing to fix it is actually to go and use the warranty of the product, because if the hard reset doesn't help you, there's like no any option to change it in the application. There's like no magic trick. So with the hard reset you can restore default settings of these earbuds, but if it doesn't help you, there's definitely some kind of the issue inside your earbuds or in the firmware, but the firmware also cannot be updated. You just have to wait until you get some kind of the notifications right here, but there's like no manually checkup of the firmware update. And yeah, that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.